Most conversations and lectures have a basic idea or point the speaker is trying to get across. Frequently, though, you run into those that don't appear to have a main point. Without the main idea, the message becomes unclear. The person listening has to try to figure out what the speaker is trying to say. In some cases, he won't be able to do this unless he asks questions. When you read, you will ask yourself certain questions. Just as with a speaker, the author of a written passage has a message for you. The author writes to make a point or tell something. Although sometimes the author will explicitly state the main idea, there are times when it will only be implied. Here we will be concentrating on recognizing explicitly stated main ideas. You may be reading a book, a short pamphlet, or just a page, but most things you read are made up of paragraphs. Paragraphs consist of one or more sentences that contain one main idea or message. The best way to understand what is meant by the main idea is to think of it as the most important idea in the passage. All the facts and details of the paragraph revolve around the main idea, just as the planets of our solar system revolve around the sun. If the main idea is removed, the rest of the passage becomes unclear. The stated main idea of a paragraph is usually found in a topic sentence. This is one sentence that tells you what the paragraph is all about. All the other sentences support and explain the topic sentence. They also add details. In the following passage, the topic sentence is underlined. Notice how each sentence supports the topic sentence.